Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2001 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tow hitch, bed liner, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote keyless entry, engine immobilizer, rear step bumper, fog lights, rear wheel drive. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.